The society is changing every day. And we've noticed in the cleaning business that the cleaning challenges, the cleaning needs are also changing a lot. But how to deal with these huge installations that are coming everywhere? We don't talk anymore about megawatts, but about gigawatts. How to deal with this installation where you absolutely need dry cleaning. The idea is that at SolarCleano, we really think that innovation is part of our DNA. Indeed, it's not just a sentence. That's the common belief of the full team. So the first thing we really thought about was how to deal with these huge installations that need to be cleaned as fast as possible. So for that, we developed the SolarCleano B1 that is able to clean day and night up to 15 megawatts per day, dry or wet cleaning. So this solution is going to be your best friend for the ground mounted installations. Next to that, there is still the big challenge of the huge rooftops, where you also need some solutions that are able to clean all the time, day and night. For that, we developed the F1 Autonomous. This solution is able to clean also day and night during the full year, dry cleaning, and will be your best friend for your rooftops installations. As I've said before, innovation is part of our DNA, and our main goal is to innovate for the solar field of the future.